especially handy when the Shrike is hunting one of its favorite foods, the lover grasshopper. This big, meaty insect would make a good meal, but the lover grasshopper also happens to be highly toxic, a deadly problem. But the Shrike has an even deadlier solution. After employing its signature move, it leaves the grasshopper to stew on the thorn for days, until decay breaks down the poison, and the feast can commence. The piercing
Charlie!
effective tool. Some
Come here.
build up a surplus of kills, turning thorny plants into their own private pantries. With so much killing power packed into one bird, we should all be happy. It's so small. Otherwise, our
Charlie!
might be dangerous.
Stop trying to go on Facebook. You ain't even have a Facebook. You too young.
Marsh. A grasshopper wisely keeps an eye out for aerial predators like the shrike. But as it watches the sky above, death comes from below. In an instant, the insect is fast food. Victims of the little but lethal archerfish. As tiny as 1 inch long, this aquatic creature employs a clever long-range hunting technique. The archerfish against the roof of its mouth, forming an arrow. Then, it tracks its gill covers and forces it to jets of water, unleashing liquid arrows at 6 feet per second. The bolts of water strike incredible accuracy from up to 3 feet away. But it's not as simple as point and shoot. As an archerfish lurks below the surface, it has to contend with the bending of light through the water. But like a high-tech targeting computer, its eyes and brain compensate for the refracted light. The fish adjusts aim and fires accordingly. Bullseye! The archerfish can blast up to 7 times in succession, like a miniature submarine, launching surface-to-air missiles. In fact, over the years, the U.S. Navy has named 2 of its subfleet after the archerfish. That's a big legacy for such a tiny animal. But it's a fish that makes up for its small size with superior firepower.
My goal is to find
Dang, Nacho, you scary.
my moderate to severe chronic plaque psoriasis. So I finally made a decision
Dang,
to talk
Nacho,
to my
you
gynecologist
scary.
about Humira. Humira works inside my body to target and help block a specific source of inflammation that contributes to my symptoms. In clinical trials, most adults with moderate to severe plaque psoriasis saw 75% skin clearance, and the majority of people were clear or almost clear in just 4 months. Humira can lower your ability to fight infections, including tuberculosis. Serious, sometimes fatal infections and cancers, including lymphoma, have happened, as have blood, liver, and nervous system problems, serious allergic reactions, and new or worsening heart failure. Before treatment, get tested for TB. Tell your doctor if you've been to areas where certain fungal infections are common, and if you've had TB, hepatitis C, are prone to infection, or have flu-like symptoms or sores. Don't start Humira if you have an infection. Ask your dermatologist about Humira, because with Humira, clear skin is possible.
Do I want to eat? Yes. Do I want to eat? Yes. Like 9 times fast. Yes. I mean, it's beautiful. I can actually see the meaty chunks and carrots right there. Look at it. Beautiful. Thank you so much. You know, tomorrow night, how about we just assume my